So this is how you can add a recurring event on the iPhone calendar. So this is how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course you can open up your calendar app as usual like that and just hold down to create a new event or tap the plus button to create one. And in order to make it like recurring, meaning that it's repeating, you have to go through the settings like set up the initial time or whatever, but you need to look up the repeating option there. So this is where you can find it, and by default the text there or the option that is selected is the never, right? So you can click on it and choose the event to be repeated every day, every week, 2 weeks, month, or year, right? So that is the default selection of options which you can go through. If you don't find it the exact way for you, and if you kind of like need more, you can click on custom at the bottom. And at first, choose the frequency, right? So it might be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. But then also you choose how often it's going to happen, right? So it doesn't have to be like every day, but every third day. If you choose the weekly option, you can choose like every second or third week, and also decide which days of the week it's supposed to be recurring on, right? So as you can tell, so many different options to set up the event according to your preferences. So I believe that with some customization, you're going to get the best possible result for you. So let me know if you managed to set up your calendar the way that you expected and wanted. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.